Hello, it's me on Toothless Tesla. It's been about a month when I noticed a particular Model S that hasn't moved from its outdoor parking space. So I decided to take a quick peek and I noticed there is rust all over its brake rotors. This suggests this has been out here for quite a long time. It is a Model S 85. Question: how long can a Tesla Model S 85 stay parked until it runs out of energy? If you know the answer, please comment below. It's a real shame to see an abandoned Model S in Hong Kong. Obviously, there could be various reasons for this, and I hope the owner is okay. Let's see what happens to this Model S. If you can, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I will give an update on this abandoned Tesla. Thanks for watching.